We've now successfully covered formatting our images, adding them to our site, and using them for our branding. Apart from this, images also come into play in social sharing and design. Here, we'll be reviewing ways in which we can use images in this manner and enhance our layout. Let's add our social sharing logo by heading to the Logo and Title section within our Design panel. Then simply drag your image or click the image uploader to select a file from your computer. Save your changes and you're set. By uploading an image as our social sharing logo, we can ensure that we always include an image in social posts from our content, even if the page we're sharing doesn't contain any images. Essentially, when you share content on social medias like Facebook, Squarespace will suggest an image based on the content type and available images. If you've added a social sharing logo, this will be the top suggested image. Keep in mind that pages use the social sharing logo, while collection items like blog posts, products, or event posts use the item thumbnail image. The item thumbnail image can be added through the Options tab in these collection items. Once added, these thumbnails will display when the item is referenced elsewhere on your site, like in a summary block, or when it's shared on a social network like Facebook. A product's thumbnail image will also be the image that displays when someone pins your product. Squarespace sites are optimized for rich pins, so pins from your site will automatically include relevant details about the content, like price, your favicon, description, excerpt, and whether your product is in stock or out of stock. Banner images are a great way to highlight content you want your visitors to pay special attention to. In many Squarespace templates, you can add either a site-wide or a per-page banner image. Let's take a look at adding banner images and best practices for these. When using banner images, it's important to note that they will always experience some cropping, especially on mobile devices. This can cause issues if your image includes text and/or a border. Also, patterns work better than portraits, and generally speaking, landscapes work better than portraits. To include text in your banner, add page titles and descriptions within page settings, instead of including text directly in the image file. In some templates, these settings transform into banner text overlays. Now it's time to put all the skills we've acquired into practice by building an effective homepage. Some templates don't offer a banner image area, but you can still display a large image on the top of your site. In fact, you can display a clickable slideshow banner by using the slideshow gallery block and enabling clickable images. Let's start by creating that clickable banner with a slideshow gallery block. If I wanted to represent my portfolio on my home page, I could select Existing Gallery Page. But I want to use some graphics I created with text. I'll use the Upload area to add the graphics I made and link each image to its relevant page. We can also add an Instagram block to gain new followers and make sure our site visitors are up to date on that activity. Include a message about your business or project here, and even use an image block to add a picture of yourself or your staff. We've covered quite a bit in this video series, from formatting images to layouts and more. Feel free to refer to any of our additional resources in the series. And as always, if you have any further questions, we're here to help.